Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Motorola Moto G8 Power 2020 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup, and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Be gentle with the fingerprint button. Next, release the graphite tape on top of the battery connect area. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, release the tape on the bottom of the battery. Next, apply some heat to pull out the not working battery from the body. Next, gently using a pry tool, cut the adhesive under the battery. Sometimes you will need extra heat to soften the adhesive under the battery. If not, gently use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, place the new battery with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure tapes to the battery. Next, place the board frame by adding 9 screws. Ensure the fingerprint button is secured. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.